Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning ultra lightweight animations with Lottie. So if you want gorgeous, smooth animations that load lightning fast and work everywhere, websites, mobile apps, and even Instagram posts, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can use Lottie animations like a pro. So what you need to do is use your browser, open it and find Lottie files. So this is a powerful web-based Lottie animations tool designed to create ultra lightweight, highly customizable and interactive animations for webs, app and social. Let's just open the web. So you can once you open, you can tap on this one, get started. It's free. Click on it. Then you need to create an account first. So let's just create. You can create using Google, Facebook, or you can also use your email. I'm going to just go with my Google account. Okay, so I've already created my account and it will be setting up my workspace here. What is your current professional role? So you can just choose your role. I'm going to just go with other. You can also specify your role. I'm going to just go with content creator. Click on update, and here you can see you can create animations with Lottie Creator. You can also upload animation or open sample animation. Let's just click on this create animations. And now a new workspace will be open. Here you can see like the basic tool. In here you can add assets from here. These are the plugins, translate scale and everything, and these are the toolbar at the top. This is the property panel where you can adjust the size, I think. And this is the animation presets, and here is the timeline. Let's click on that, and here to get started you can insert Lottie in here. Let's just click on this one for example, and as you guys can see, a new animation will be automatically created just like this. But if you want to adjust it more, you can change also the animations that you want to. For example, I'm going to go with pop in for the 0. Let's see, like this. You can apply, click on apply preset, and it will be applied just like that. See, I'm going to just create another one here. I'm going to create a star shape. And here you can choose the animation, click on apply preset, and you can preview by playing it. So you can just add animation. You can also upload asset if you want to use your own image and animate it. You can use that. For example, I'm going to use this image right here. Oh sorry, so the file format supported is only GZSON or SFG format. And you can also here I'm going to just go with more animations. I think as you guys can see, there are lots of assets that you can use. Let's use this one. You can insert as SVG or Lottie, and if you're done with your animation and you want to export it, you can just tap on this export button. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.